Hi guys, my name is Aafreen. I am a master's student studying for an MA in Education and International Development at UCL. I grew up in Kashmir and I'm in London. I live at Prankerd House, which is a postgraduate hall located at North Gower Street, a quick 7-minute walk from the main campus and a 15-minute walk from my department. I'm going to show you around my accommodation today. Come on in.
My room is a single ensuite, which is the most comfortable for postgraduate students, where you wouldn't like to share your washroom with someone and have your own space. So it's the perfect blend for privacy and enough space.
So this is my room. You have a lovely and comfortable single bed, a lot of space underneath to keep your luggage, a side table, two beautiful big windows if you live on the left side of the building, a study table, in an extra chair, another table to put your stuff in, a board to put your to-do lists, and that is your cupboard. Let me show you my washroom now. That is a comfortable washroom with a sink inside, a shower cabin, and that's it. Now I'm going to show you guys our community kitchen, just like a few steps away from my room. Hey guys, welcome to our kitchen. Those are our induction hobs, amply supplied with electrical appliances, toasters, electric kettles, microwaves, refrigerators and freezers. We also have two wash basins to do our dishes and two small tables to have our meals. The best time to cook is 7 a.m. in the morning, because that's when everybody's sleeping and you can take the advantage of getting the whole kitchen to yourself. As you can see, I'm on the way to the laundry room and I am very eager to show you our laundry room. So this is our laundry room. Let me show you guys around. Those are the washing machines and the dryers, and we also have an ironing board that you use for ironing your clothes right after drying, a quick wash of something easy breezy, and a chair if you'd like to rest while you're waiting for your laundry last minute. Let me get you through the whole process of doing my laundry. At UCL, we have a very efficient system of doing our laundry. We use something called Go-To Guide. It's a very quick circuit laundry app that you download on your phone, connect it to a Bluetooth, and connect it to the washing machine/dryers, and you're in. Time to show you guys my favorite place around Prankerd House. Let's go. This is exactly what Prankerd House looks like from the main door, and my favorite spot right from the accommodation, which is 100 steps away, probably less than 100 steps, is this very cool cafe called Speedies Cafe. I'm just going to show you guys this in a minute. Here's the cafe, Speedies Sandwich Cafe. Has nice coffee, quick breakfast, lunch, and pasta. And apparently a fun fact, Sherlock Holmes was killed here in the series or something like that. And for those of you who are Benedict Cumberbatch's fans, he did shoot an episode here. Yes, that's right. As you guys can see, this is North Gower Street, and it extends all the way to UCL main campus. Thank you for coming for this tour with me at UCL, where I showed you around Prankerd House. I hope to see some of you, if not all, at campus soon. Bye!